Hello, good morning, friends. This is your JK from JK Astro. I hope you would have enjoyed all my videos. If you do not, please go to JK Astro and see all my videos. That is for you. I am making videos to make the astrology is very easy and a simple way so that you will all learn. Whatever I know, I am sharing my knowledge, I am sharing with you. Please subscribe and press the bell button so that if I put a new video, immediately you will get the notification. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button. Apart from that, if you have got any comments, please leave your comment in YouTube itself. Don't send it to me in WhatsApp. You leave it in a YouTube comment column. There I will answer also. See, this Nadi, I learned from late Siddha Yogi Sivadasan Ravi sir. He is a genius person. Today's topic is the no marriage combination in Nadi. That means people who are not destined to marry, what kind of combination in Nadi it is available. There is a misconception among our astro friends that Nadi means we should not use Lagna. Nadi, several kinds of Nadis are there. Only in few Nadis, the Lagna, they are not using it. Especially this BNN, lot of popularity is there because of R.G. Rao sir. On account of that BNN, people immediately they say, no Nadi, no Lagna. No, it's not like that. Even Siddha Yogi Sivadasan Ravi sir is a direct disciple of R.G. Rao and he has written a lot of books. In some places he is not touching the Lagna. In some places he is touching the Lagna. He is also said in Saptarishi Nadi, see when after using BNN, you have to compare with the Saptarishi Nadi using Lagna and 7th Lord, 10th Lord, whatever. See if you going on seeing for marriage, 7th Lord. If you want to see profession, 10th Lord. If you want to see children, 5th Lord, something like that you can use it. So friends, now let us come to the dictums. See, we all know gents means male, natives means Jupiter is a character. Ladies means Venus is the character. Now, see in this, what I am going to tell you is only 4 rules. One dictum, 4 rules. If you apply that, immediately you can find it out that horoscope or that native is destined to marry or not. Now we will come to the dictum and 4 rules. So you take Lagna Lord, where he is posited. Example, we will take an example, Sagittarius Lagna. Jupiter is the Lagna Lord. This Lagna Lord is posited in Capricorn. Now, we will take the 7th Lord. Who is 7th Lord? Mercury. We will assume that he is posited in Leo. What is the combination? 6-8 combination. Jupiter to Mercury, 6-8 combination. So, Lagna Lord and 7th Lord should not be in 4, 6, 8. combination. You understand? Lagna Lord and 7th Lord, they are not supposed to be in 4, 6, 8 combination. Same way, I already told you, for male native, Jupiter is the Karaka, Venus is the wife. So, here, Jupiter, that is male native, self, then Venus, wife of whatever, would be wife or something like that, Kalatra, for this native. So, Jupiter to Venus, they are not supposed to be in 4, 6, 8. First we have seen Lagna Lord and 7th Lord. Here we are just replacing, instead of Lagna Lord Jupiter, instead of 7th Lord, we are replacing Venus. They are not supposed to be in 4, 6, 8. Then, Ketu Maharaj is coming. We all know Ketu is the obstructive planet. So, Ketu is not interested in material welfare. He is interested in your spiritual welfare. He is not a Boha Karaka like Rahu. He is a spiritual mentor. So, 7th Lord connection with Ketu we have to see. In first 2 cases, we have seen adverse position. Here, with Ketu, they should not be in a good position. Because if they are in good position, 7th Lord, with Ketu in a good position, that means Ketu will spoil. So, 7th Lord and Ketu, they are not supposed to be in 1, 5, 9 or in a second house. Let us take the previous example. Mercury we said in Leo. Just example we assume. Along with Mercury, Ketu should not be posited. Then Ketu should not be in Virgo, because he is coming to second, 212 position to Mercury. Then, because Mercury is 7th Lord here. So, for Mercury, the Ketu should not be in Sagittarius. For Mercury, Ketu should not be in Aries. So, all these places, 159 is coming and 2 is coming. Virgo is 2, Sagittarius is 5 and Aries is 9. If it is posited, Leo, that is 1. 159 should not be there. In second position, for 7th Lord, Ketu should not be in second or 159 position. Okay. 7th Lord replacement who? Venus in male native chart. That Venus, the same way how we have seen in 7th Lord, the same way Venus should not be placed in 159 or 2 Ketu. So if these four rules are there in the dictum, in the 4 rules, 3 rules are negative, then no marriage. Even because one rule has come positive, even the marriage takes place by the free will or the other person's horoscope is good, the marriage will not last long. Now we will come to ladies' charts, ladies' horoscopes, Stri Jataka. Here, Venus is their male native, Jupiter is the self. Here in ladies horoscope, Venus is the self. In male native, Venus is the wife. Here in female native, Mars is the husband. So, here we have to give importance to Venus, that is self, Mars, that is husband. Now we will come to the rules for Stri Jataka, ladies horoscopes. Lagna Lord should not be posited with respect to 7th Lord in 4, 6, 8 position. Same way, Venus should not be posited with respect to Mars in 4, 6, 8 position. For example, Venus is in Aquarius and Mars is in Cancer. 4, 6, 8, 6, 8 position is coming. Venus is in Aquarius, Mars is in Taurus, 4, 10 position is coming. So, the Venus and Mars, they should not be in 4, 6, 8 position. Again, 7th Lord with Ketu. We have said in male chart, the same way in ladies chart, it should not come in 159 or 2. Same way, Mars should not be posited with respect to Ketu 159 or 2. If this among the 4, 3 have come negative, that means this lady is not destined to marry. Since 1 week, I'm getting lot of horoscopes with this combination only. Most of the people are 36, 40 years old. So, with this combination exactly fits in to those horoscopes. So, my friends, you also apply these rules, apply these dictums to your known charts, and let me have your valid opinion, valuable opinion. With this, I end this video, again asking you to subscribe, press the bell button, and like the thing. If you like it, like the thing. Important thing is please share. Knowledge is to share. I am sharing with you. Same way, please share this knowledge to your friends. Please forward this video to your friends also. Thank you. With this, I take leave. We will see in my next video. This is JK from JK Astro. Thank you very much.